Professional videographers know that maintaining stability is essential to getting the right footage. That's why in recent years, manufacturers have been launching more and more gimbals. MOZA has been manufacturing gimbals for a while and recently launched MOZA AirCross 2 gimbal. According to MOZA, new gimbal is lightweight and designed for most mirrorless and DSLR cameras. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the review. Let's do a quick unboxing. In the box we have MOZA AirCross 2 gimbal, different camera mounting accessories, a box full of cables, user manual, and a foam carrying case. Now let's look at the features. MOZA AirCross 2 is capable of 7 pounds payload, and gimbal weighs only 950 grams. It also comes with 3000 mAh battery, 3 7.8 volts multi-CAN power outputs, a mini USB for camera connection, a USB-C port for battery charging, a smart programmable wheel control, a motion control joystick, menu dial wheel with OLED screen, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 3-axis lock design, Bluetooth 4.0, supports iOS and Android apps, and available in two colors, black and white. The MOZA AirCross 2 gimbal body is made of magnesium. The upper part of the gimbal is all metal, and lower part of the body is high quality premium plastic and metal. The AirCross 2 provides 7 pounds of payload capacity, and it's capable of handling most mirrorless and DSLR cameras on the market. A large mounting space means camera can be attached from either left or right side of the device. In this review, I'm using Panasonic G85 camera with the gimbal, but you can check out complete camera compatibility list on the MOZA website. The overall build quality is great. The motors are protected by rubber layer, and all the included accessories are made of high quality materials. Unlike the original MOZA Air, the Air 2 roll motor is angled, so it doesn't get in the way of your camera's rear screen. This is a huge advantage, means your camera screen is usable when your camera doesn't have a flip out screen. The gimbal comes with quick release plate, which lets you remove camera on and off without having to rebalance the gimbal. There are multiple ways to mount the camera, horizontally and vertically with the included L bracket. An Arca quick release plate can be used for vertical shots. There's also a phone mount holder for your camera to mount the phone on the top of the camera and can be used with mimic mode and object tracking. The gimbal can be mounted on the tripod, an included stand with the available 1/4-inch hole at the bottom of the gimbal. There's also a 3/8 screw mounting option allows you to mount additional accessories as well. Removing and installing battery is very simple. Press the battery lockdown and take out the battery. The 3000 mAh battery provides MOZA AirCross 2 with up to 12 hours of battery life, and it can be fully charged in only 1.5 hours with 18-watt fast charger. The battery features its own USB charging interface and can be charged by the external power supply. Simple and convenient. It can utilize anytime, anywhere. The 3 multi-CAN outputs with 7.8 watt output can supply power to cameras and other accessories. The MOZA AirCross 2 is a single-handle 3-axis motorized gimbal. The 3 locks which are used to lock motors to prevent rotation. The lock design saves time by offering custom balancing configurations. The latch on each axis also allows for custom balancing configurations. Video creators on the go now easily carry MOZA AirCross 2 without worrying about reconfiguring their setup. The included instructions and video tutorials makes mounting and balancing the camera process very easy. There are 3 modes available for photographers and video professionals to maximize their productivity. The Inception mode offers automatic rotation, speed adjustment, and angle control. There's no need to manually control the joystick while shooting. You can switch between 180 degrees, 360 degrees, or continuous rotation. The FPV mode offers full range, 360 degrees, synchronous movement across all 3 motors. And the sports mode makes it easier to capture action and fast moving objects with ease. The MOZA Master app lets you control camera configuration and firmware upgrades from the app. The app is very easy to use. The app also offers mimic motion control by using a smartphone. You can control the movement of the MOZA AirCross 2 through the device, so each axis can be independently controlled to mimic the movement of your phone. You can also adjust the speed of the gimbal movement, allowing more control and precision for each shot. You also get the usual time-lapse, motion control, and panoramic mode seen on previous MOZA gimbals. The built-in OLED screen provides intuitive bright display of the gimbal status and camera settings. You can access the gimbal menu settings by pressing the dial wheel for a few seconds. There are a ton of settings available for camera and gimbal. You can calibrate gimbal, auto-tuning, and auto-balancing and much more. Browsing through the menu is very simple and it provides complete control over every settings. With the gimbal smart wheel, you can easily control the focus of the camera, either directly with compatible cameras and lens or using a separate focus motor. In addition, you can quickly switch and control each individual axis for precision movement by simply moving the smart wheel. The smart wheel's LED can be turned off if needed. The gimbal's trigger is the main control. Its functions are both simple and programmable. In default mode, 2 presses recenter the gimbal, 3 presses puts it in a selfie mode by rotating the camera towards your face, and holding it down locks all follow modes, gives you smooth slider-like motion in any direction without changing the axis. The MOZA AirCross 2 offers excellent level of image stabilization and it helps you get the best image quality possible while recording. The footage is butter smooth and some of the cleanest we have seen. As you can see from the sample video footage, the stabilization is rapid. It has no lag or drag like some other brands have there with their latest gimbals. This is due to MOZA coming up with some excellent motors and sensors for AirCross 2, helping push its motion detection and correction up to the next level. MOZA has definitely put a lot of work into their balancing algorithm too, and the results are simply amazing. The MOZA AirCross 2 is an excellent full-feature camera stabilizer gimbal. It is extremely easy to configure and use. It is lightweight, stylish, and sleek design, while also offering cutting-edge features. I have no problem recommending MOZA AirCross 2 to anyone who's in the market for new camera gimbal. Let me know what you guys think of MOZA AirCross 2 gimbal in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.